how to find measure of a missing angle of a triangle. This is one of the activities given on page number 28 and 29. Here you can see a triangle. This angle is 70 degrees. This angle is 50 degrees. And how much is this one? And this is what I'm going to tell you. Let's discuss two ways how to find measure of this angle. The first one is the easier one, and that's what I'm going to tell you first. Okay, this is one of the set squares, and here you can see this is a right angle, so this one is 90 degrees. This side, this one is 90 degrees. Okay, then how much is this one? This one is 60 degrees, here it is 30 degrees. So 90 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to 180. So when you add measures of these three angles, you get 180. And now look at this one. This is a triangle, one of the set squares. So here, this is a right angle. So here it is 90 degrees. This one is 45 degrees. Here also 45 degrees. So 90 plus 45 plus again 45. So 90 plus 45 plus 45 is equal to 180. So when you add these three measures, 90 plus 45 plus 45, you get 180. So the angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So this is what you have to understand. If you add degrees of a triangle, you get 180 degrees. Now look at this. Here there is a triangle. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Angle B is equal to 75 degrees. And angle C, the measure is not written here. And how much will be angle C? Let's assume that angle C is X. So this X plus 75 plus 60 is equal to 180. So again, X plus, add these two, 135 is equal to 180. And again, X is equal to, so you can subtract 135 from 180. 180 minus 135, then you get 45. So X is equal to 45. So here it is 45 degree. Measures of three angles of a triangle always add up to 180. So this is the easiest way to find the measure of missing angle of a triangle. Okay, I think you understood this. Now look at this one. This is just like our textbook activity. Here angle A is 60 degrees, angle B is equal to 75 degrees, and here angle C, we don't know how much is this one. So the measure of C, angle C, we have to find out. So how to do this? And this is what I'm telling you. Listen very carefully. So this activity is given in your textbook to prove that the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So in order to do this, I take this set square and I keep the set square here. Another one, I take this scale, then thereafter take scale like this. Then what you have to do is slowly you move this set square like this. move set square like this and draw. Look at this. Here it is. You got a parallel line, and let's name this. Here it is. Let's name this Y. Okay. So angle CAB is equal to 60 degrees, and angle ABC is equal to 75 degrees. So we are going to calculate angle ACB. This is what we have to find out. Okay. So when you add this angle A and angle B, these two angles are supplementary angles. We have studied this earlier, that angle A 60 degree and angle B, including this one, that is CBY, including this one, these two angles add up to 180 degrees, because these two angles are supplementary angles. These two angles are supplementary angles. So supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. So when you add 60 degrees, 75 degrees plus this angle CBY, you get 180 degrees. Once again I say, when you add angle A 60 degrees plus angle B, angle ABC, this 75 degrees, plus this CBY, this angle. These three angles add up to 180 degrees. So angle CBY, angle CBY, angle CBY is equal to 180 minus 135, that is 60 plus 75 is equal to 135. So if you subtract these two angles, that is 135 from 180, you get angle CBY. So angle CBY is equal to 45 degrees. So here it is. When we subtracted 135 from 180, we got 45. So this one is, this angle CBY is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Now, next is, how can we find or how can we measure angle ACB? Angle ACB. We have studied what are alternate angles. Look at this one. Suppose this line BC, this line is transversal, and this measure 45 degrees CBY. This angle is right of this transversal BC, and here it should be left of this transversal and above this line. Here it is below this line and right of this transversal, and here it should be above this line and left of this transversal. Alternate angles lie on opposite relative positions. So look at this one, this shape, Z shape, you can see a wrong Z. Look at this one. So here it is the opposite and relative position is this one. So angles here and this angle, that is angle ACB and angle CBY. These two angles are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. When a transversal intersects or cuts or crosses two other parallel lines, angles formed on opposite and relative positions are called alternate angles. So CBY, angle CBY is equal to angle ACB. So if this is 45 degrees, definitely here also 45 degrees. So this is how we get angle ACB. So I think this is clear, isn't it? Okay, so when you add these three measures, you will get 180 degrees. That's what you have to understand, 180 degrees. Here it is. I think every one of you understood what I told here. So you can do your activities that are given on page number 27, 28, 29 and 30. Keep in mind how to use supplementary angles and alternate angles to find measure of a missing angle of a triangle.